Let's dive into the problem at hand. Imagine you're working on a pretty long stored procedure in SQL Server, and a business user comes knocking with a request. They want to rename columns with values stored in declared variables. At the top of the stored procedure, various variables are declared to be used later on. These variables hold different values like dates, flags, and character strings. Now let's shift our focus to the solution provided earlier. The first part of the solution addresses the error related to the variable scope in dynamic-sql. The key is to explicitly pass the variables used within the dynamic-sql to the sp_execute-sql call. By providing these parameters, you ensure that the variables are recognized within the dynamic-sql block, resolving the issue of undeclared scalar variables within the scope. Moving on to address the second error, the solution highlighted a specific mistake in the column aliasing within the dynamic-sql. The error stemmed from incorrectly quoting the @period value using quote name. Removing the additional square brackets around quote name fixes the issue of the identifier exceeding the maximum length due to misinterpretation of column aliases. By following the correct syntax for quote name, the problem of exceeding the maximum length for identifiers is remedied. In summary, by following the steps outlined in the solution, you can resolve the errors encountered in the stored procedure. Ensuring proper variable scope within dynamic-sql and using quote name correctly for column aliasing are crucial in achieving a successful execution. With these adjustments, you'll be able to run the stored procedure smoothly without encountering the previous errors. Remember, precision encoding can work wonders in troubleshooting complex scenarios. Good luck with your SQL endeavors. And that's a wrap. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to like the video and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.